Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Sathvik. We're at the Eagle Park. I'm gonna be seeing so many eagles. They might be landing on my head. No, I don't know. But it's gonna be so fun. Guys, this is the white-tailed sea. Guys, this is a bald-headed eagle, and it was shouting. Guys, these are common crystal eagles.
Without no soul.
They're not trained yet, so if they let them out, they'll hurt them. Guys, these are hot. This is a falcon. I really want to hold this. Guys, these are the rare gray falcons. They're really rare. I didn't see one in my whole life. This is my first time. Guys, this is the Harris hawk.
Peregrina's hawk. Odi.
Snowy owl, ಇದು ಕೂಡ.
Guys, this is not a snowy owl, but a bigger one.
No, this is spotted eagle owl.
Guys, I got my seat, so we'll start in a few minutes. I can't wait.
Look at back. Chip, okay.
Guys, this is the man who's going to start the show.
So, the birds want to land on the rocks, and if you're sitting there, they cannot do this. So just sit down, audience, please. Yeah, and the rocks around this area are shaky enough, so parents, please do not allow the children to climb on them. Split haze are not nice to look at. Because very often people ask me, what's this? This is a day-old chick. Sorry, I forgot that you're all vegetarians. Pesticides, it is the climate change. I know nobody wants to hear about it anymore, but it's a matter of fact. I've seen pictures taken in the 1950s, 60s here in this area when farmers were growing beef barley and oats here on these fields. This is not possible anymore because it is too wet. And this wet ground is also the reason. Oh please, come on. Oh yeah. Excuse me, you're not a member of the audience. You're not supposed to sit there, you're supposed to fly. No? Okay. Well done. Yeah. Oh, step up. You have to work. Come on, sorry. Can you just stretch your arm for a second? Oh, this man here, okay? Stretch your arm, keep it level. Okay, hold your arm up. Hold your arm up, okay? He's holding the food in his foot, just the way we hold the drumsticks of our chickens in our hands. Bad manners, I know, it's very handy, isn't it? And this is why falcon is called the feet of the falcon's hands, which is totally incorrect. They stand on their feet just like we do. The hands of the birds are here, the tips of their arms. If you ask any child, how do birds fly, they give you the scientifically proven answer, like this. Yeah, that's absolutely correct. They flap with their arms, and the hands are the tips of their arms. The only difference between his arm and my arm is I have hair on my arm. He has feathers, but the bones inside are identical. It's not amazing, we share the same ancestors. Here's the shoulder, here's the elbow, and here's the wrist. So this is the upper arm, this is the forearm, and these are the fingers. These four feathers here are called alula, translated little wing, and they grow from the thumb of the bird. Like my thumb, his thumb is small and can be moved, so these four feathers are the landing flaps of the birds. The engine of the bird are these feathers, the primaries. They grow from the fingers number 2 and 3. They have to carry the body weight. And this is why during the evolution, they fuse, they are more solid now, it's one single bone. And at the same time as these two fingers grew together, they lost the fourth and the fifth fingers because they decided very early that they would never play piano or use the keyboard of a computer. Yeah? So they don't need 5 fingers anymore. 3 fingers do the job, it makes them lighter, and this is why they fly like this and they fold their arms this way. Yum, yum, yum. Because if they allow the rabbit too long time.
Oh, thank you.
That was a nice breeze.
I got to go. We have this bench already.
Guys, that was the best thing of my life. Now we're going to the pet zoo. Guys, I'm gonna touch an owl.
Photo.
Okay. Pizza, huh?
Done.
Okay.
Happy?
Yeah.
Thank you.
The video's over, so the most important thing to do is like, subscribe, share, comment, and don't forget to watch more videos. Bye guys!